Okay, so now we're gonna play with my pet birds. Okay, how did she just grab them? When I touch my birds, they would keep hitting me and stuff. Oh my god. Yeah. You don't have to be that rough. You're my pet bird.
Good.
This is so cute though. Mm-hmm. They're still alive. Oh, they want food. They're hungry. Okay. Mm-hmm. They cool. The babies. They're so cute. I haven't met them in life.
Auntie, how? It's impossible. Oh, yeah.
And then we got someone just walked. I guess. Oh no, what? Did it even hurt when they bit her? Okay, this is really delicious. Okay, good. Good birdies. No, very weird now. That's so cute. Nee, 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 nee. Nee, 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 nee. Nee, 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 nee. Nee. What happened to my bird's eye? Nee, 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 nee. Trevor, you can take me if you don't like flying. Okay, now the birds are eating from the corner. Okay, don't bite down the books. I know you want.
Come on.
I know you're hungry or something, but don't do that. Come on. Okay, get back on the paper. Get back on the paper. You're gonna poo onto the floor.
Good.
Good.
Nana.
Erin got hurt. Oh yay, you're back.